the sum of the first two terms of a geometric sequence is 10 and the sum of the first four terms is 30. Question A shows that the common ratio R satisfies R squared is 2. So let U1 be the first term and R be the common ratio. So the sum of the first two terms, it can be represented as U1 plus U1 times R is 10. And the sum of the first four terms, it's what U1 plus U1R plus U1R squared plus U1R cubed. Or you may use just a formula for the sum of the first four terms for geometric, just as 4, and it's 30. And we get simultaneous equations. And we need just solve for R. And you can notice the next. For the first, U1 1 plus R is 10, or actually you can write that this is directly 10. And here we can factor out U1 and R squared to get 1 plus R. And it's 30. And you can see that U1 is 10 over 1 plus R, hence the second becomes 10 plus U1 R squared. 10 over U1 is 30. U1 cancels, and dividing by 10 we get that it's 1 plus R squared is 3, so R squared is 2 as required. Given that R is square root of 2, find the first term. So we can just use just this equation. U1 is 10 over 1 plus ratio and becomes 10 over 1 plus root 2. In general, we can multiply by 1 minus root 2 to get rid the rationality in the denominator, but it's not required, or we can do that later for the next problem if it would be required. Find the sum of the first 10 terms. So we need just S10. And just using a formula, and it says that it's what? U1 ratio to the power of 10 minus 1 ratio minus 1. So it becomes U1, it's 10 over root 2 plus 1, or 1 plus root 2, it doesn't matter. Ratio, it's what? Root 2 to the power of 10, or R squared to the power of 5, it's 2 to the power of 5, or 32 minus 1, and the ratio, it's root 2 minus 1. And you can see that it's a formula, a minus b plus b, so it's a squared minus b squared, it's just 2 minus 1, 10 times 31, so it's just 310. And that's all for this question.